I'm Heather, and I love sharing healthy recipes, and today we're gonna do just that. So I have a strawberry banana peanut butter smoothie that is so good and so great for kids too. It's pretty and pink, and it's so flavorful because banana and peanut butter and strawberry and creamy coconut milk go so well together. I can't wait for you guys to try this one, and I can't wait to hear what you think. So I'm gonna show you how quickly this comes together, and then I want you to go try it, and I wanna hear what you think, and I can't wait. All right, here's the how-to. That is it. So few ingredients for the most creamy, delicious, dessert-like smoothie. And as we're heading into summer, I want to give you guys this little tip. So since we're using coconut milk in the smoothie and we've got the fat from peanut butter, it has a higher fat content, which makes it perfect for turning it into popsicles. So if you make this and you have leftovers and you have some popsicle molds, you should totally put it in popsicle molds, freeze it, and then be able to have your smoothie popsicles whenever it's a hot day. It's so fun for kids. This is such a kid-friendly recipe. But also if you're like, husband, you need to drink more smoothies, it's a great one for them too. The whole family's gonna love it. I can't wait for you to try it. You can find the ingredient lists and all of that down below in the link over on fitmamarealfood.com. If you enjoyed this video, this recipe, leave a thumbs up. I hope that you're subscribed, and if not, go ahead and click that button so that you don't miss out on all the other tasty, yummy recipes and healthy living tips that we've got coming to the channel. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.